This may come as a surprise, but stretching is actually making your back pain worse. Let me explain. Hi, I'm Dr. Kim, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm a doctor of chiropractic and an online back pain coach. Over the years of practice, I have helped 4,000 people heal their back pain for life. In today's video, I'm going to get a little controversial. I'm going to tell you why stretching alone is not the solution for healing your back pain and what you should be doing instead. I'll even show you 2 powerful somatic movements that I recommend to each and every one of my clients to get them moving pain-free again. So without further ado, let's get into it. So stretching by itself can actually worsen your back pain. Let me tell you why. 1. Overstretching weak muscles. Many cases of back pain actually stem from an imbalance in the body. Often, the back and deep core muscles are weak, whilst the hip flexors and hamstrings are tight. Because the pain is primarily felt in the back, people think that they should start stretching it. They start doing these crazy twisting motions, trying to crack their back themselves. They start to look up yoga classes and back stretches. But here's the problem. When your back muscles are already weak, overstretching them can further exacerbate the problem. Instead of addressing the imbalance, you're actually overstressing the already weak muscle, which then leads to further injury, pain, and potential for a chronic problem. It's like pulling on a rope that is already frayed. It doesn't fix the weakness, it just unravels the problem even further. The key is not to overstretch the back muscles, but instead work on strengthening the stabilizing muscles, such as the deep core and glutes. This will provide the support that your spine needs in able to start healing. Number 2. Stretching gives you a false sense of relief. So stretching does temporarily reduce tightness, and it does feel good while you're doing it. This is because it increases blood flow to the area. It's similar to when you go in for a massage and they simply just rub the sore spot, and it feels better for a day or 2. But then the problem comes back again like clockwork. It's because they're not actually fixing the underlying root cause of the problem. This study puts it perfectly. Strengthening, stabilizing muscles is more effective than stretching when it comes to reducing long-term pain. So if stretching alone is not the answer, what is? As I said before, it is strengthening the right muscles. There are 2 big players here. One is the deep core. Your deep core is not your six-pack abs. It actually lies much deeper than these. These muscles, like the transverse abdominis, wrap around your spine, providing stability and support. There is a direct link between having chronic low back pain and a weak deep core. 2. Your glutes or your butt muscles. Your glutes are crucial for maintaining pelvic alignment and stability. If your glutes are weak, your lower back takes on more of the load and pressure, which can lead to pain and injury. Strengthening these muscles helps to correct these imbalances. After your spine is truly stable, then we can work on stretching. Now, strengthening does not have to mean heavy lifting or intense workouts. This is where somatic movement comes in. Somatic movements are gentle, mindful exercises that reconnect your brain with the parts of the body that need to be stretched or strengthened. They help to release chronic tension, release stored emotions, and strengthen your muscles in a way that feels so relaxing and enjoyable. I am going to show you 2 somatic movements that you can use to jumpstart your back pain healing journey. Lay on your back with your knees bent. Close down your eyes. Take a deep breath in and feel your belly rise up to the ceiling. On the breath out, pull your belly button in towards your spine. Now push your entire lower back down into the ground, completely flattening it out, making sure there is no space between the ground and your spine. Hold this contraction. This is your deep core activating. Now breath in, relax, and let that arch come back into your spine. Exhale and draw your belly button in towards your spine and flatten your entire spine down against the floor. Hold this contraction and breathe normally. You may notice some shaking. If you do, that's completely normal. It's just your deep core muscles activating. Inhale and relax your spine completely. Repeat this movement 10 times, 1 to 2 times a day. Now let's activate your glutes. Lay on your belly with your forehead resting on your hands. Bring your feet out to the width of your yoga mat. Keeping your neck and shoulders still and completely relaxed, and keeping both of your hip bones on the floor, raise your right leg into the air using only your butt muscle, and lower. Do not let any other part of your body move except for your leg. This is very challenging. Let's try the left side. Keeping everything still, use your left butt muscle to lift your leg up in the air. And release. Right leg up, down. Left, down. Right, down. Left, down. Do this 10 times, 1 to 2 times a day. So that's it for this video. I hope you feel inspired to try out these movements for yourself. I created a blueprint that has the power to heal chronic back pain with just 15 minutes of movement and meditation a day. If you're ready to heal your back pain for good and live a life of freedom and mobility, this is your chance. I would love to help you personally. You can book a free call with me via the link in the description box. Usually my initial consultations are $200, and for now, this is completely free. We'll have a chat about how I can customize the blueprint to fit you and your body. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.